Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Salini and I am from Bihar, and as you know, I help you to speak English fluently with confidence and without any hesitation. So, guys, I was getting lots of messages of English learners, and they were saying, I have tried hard, but still I can't speak English. I have tried thinking in English, but it is just not happening. I'm not able to think in English. So, guys, in today's video, and I choose this topic especially, how can we make English our friend? Okay, so guys, I know I know you are really tired of getting stuck when speaking English. Just words don't come to mind and you end up thinking in Hindi first and then translating to English. So your vocabulary is limited and it is really frustrating. I know. I know you are struggling and you want to speak fluently. You want to give presentations and have conversations in English, but it is not happening, right? And it is causing tension to you, right? But don't worry, guys, I was in the same boat when I started. I would stumble over sentences and struggle to speak, but right now, even after lots of efforts, I am able. So why you cannot? Okay, so listen, my friend. I practiced a lot. I put in a lot of effort and I did not focus too much on grammar, because I believe reading plays a huge role. If you are reading, sorry, if you read, so you have to start with basics. Okay, like basic English children story books that interest you. So it could be any storybook, rhymes or songs. You just have to start with basic. Okay, that's how your foundation gets built, and that's exactly what I did. That's why I am telling to you guys. So if you are a beginner, so English might seem tough at first, but don't worry, it's normal. It was tough for me too. But as we practice daily and invest time in it, it becomes a habit. So the key is to give English as much time as possible. Okay, as a beginner, you will feel it is tough. I'm not able to speak. And you might think you will become fluent overnight, but that's not how it works. We can't learn English instantly, but with practice, we can definitely learn it. So it is not rocket science. I did not learn English overnight either. I invested time in it over weeks and months. That's why today I am here. And you know what is the main point? The main point is that my English was not too weak to begin with, so it was a bit easier for me. But for those who was English is weaker, I would say invest more time. Okay, you have to invest more time, you have to practice more and do self talk in English daily basis. You have to listen to English songs, watch English movies, and practice pronunciation. You have to learn new vocabulary daily to strengthen your English speaking skills. Okay, so that's how you can gradually improve. And I am recording this video from my rooftop, and the cold is not over yet. It is still chilly, and I am feeling cold too. So I did not wear a sweater, you can see. So I thought I would record the video first, then I will figure things out. That's why I came here to record. So I think I am done with that. So now I wanted to say in this video, sorry, I think I am done with that, whatever I thought. So whatever I wanted to share in this video, I am done. So it's really cold and I am feeling it now. So I want to wear a sweater and then I will upload the video, and after that I will listen to it again and see where I made mistakes and where I can improve. So this is how I practice on daily basis. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope now you can understand what you have to do, where you can start, and you have to, if you want to speak English fluently, you have to spend more time with English. Okay, so this is what I did, and I am suggesting you to do the same if you want to become a fluent English speaker. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for joining me, and keep speaking, keep learning, keep moving forward, and don't give up, and you can crack this.